The person who studies my Instagram the most has never liked a single post. No comments, no messages. Just one account, no name, no photo. Opening my profile 40 times before sunrise. Every morning at 4 a.m. I own a small bakery. I told myself it was a fan. I was wrong in a way that nearly cost me the whole shop. It started as something I actually found sweet. I get in around 5 to start the dough, so I figured some fellow early riser just loved my croissants. Then I ran one of those tools that shows who really visits your profile the most. That nameless account was sitting right at the top, number 1, above every friend and regular I have. 50 views a day, always before dawn. Then the copies began. I would post a new recipe, a lavender honey loaf, a brown butter miso cookie, something I had spent weeks getting right. 2 days later, the cafe across the street would have the exact same thing. Same flavor, same name I invented, same plating I had photographed alone at midnight. So I stopped guessing, and I traced who that account really was. It was not the cafe owner. It was not some rival I had never met. It was my own weekend employee, the girl I hired, the one I trained, the one I trusted with my keys and my supplier list. She was never admiring my work. She was collecting it. Every 4 a.m. view lined up with a night she had closed the shop alone. She was photographing my prep sheets and watching my profile from her car, quietly building the plan for her own bakery 3 streets away. And owner after owner tells me the same story. The account watching you hardest is the one that leaves no trace. A like leaves a fingerprint, a comment leaves a record, but opening your profile 50 times a day leaves absolutely nothing behind. That is the whole reason the person studying your every move will never once touch a button. You truly have no idea who is examining everything you post. The ones who never like, never comment, never say a word, those are the exact people you need to see. I found mine, and it changed how I protect everything I built. You can find yours. The link is right below.